This Rolls-Royce Ghost was towed here from hundreds of kilometers away. As soon as it arrived, I knew the owner was about to get ripped off. We first went to the dealership where he was told there was only one solution, full replacement, quoted at 80,000 Canadian dollars. But once we took it apart, the problem was actually simple. The bump stops had deteriorated into dust, and the air spring bladder was cracked and leaking. Here's the key point: the shock absorber cord tested perfectly fine. That means there was absolutely no need to replace the entire unit. We simply installed a German-made Western air spring for the owner, crimped in one piece for extra strength and longer service life. Would you agree with this solution? If any repair shops watching want to offer this service, we provide new parts, technical training, and full equipment support. Leave your city in the comments or send me a direct message to learn about partnership opportunities.